What are you cooking? Yes, I'm cooking stew peas and white rice. Jamaican stew peas and white rice. Where we put our peas on the fire. Then whatever meat you want to put in there, you put chicken foot. You know you look about the chicken foot. You brown it up and you put it in the pot. Meanwhile the peas are cooked. You prepare that, you put it in the pot. Make it cook with the peas. So right there now it finished cook. The peas is also cooked. So now me I brown up the chicken. We put in the pot with it as well. So when those go back on the fire now with the peas, me just look about some spinners, put in it, and put my coconut juice in there, put some more seasoning in there. I don't have any cock soup to put in there, so I'm going to put some more seasoning in there and stir it a little bit, and then that is it. Watch it go